Hey everybody, this is Andy with Prestige Real Estate Services. I'm just here today opening up a home for our open house here at 508 Stout Street in St. Joseph. Thought I'd take you on a quick tour to see why you need to come out here and check this property out. It has the most fabulous backyard. It's so big for the price. You don't get much of a backyard like this in most homes, priced higher. This one is a good size. Got a beautiful tree in the back. Patio. Extra little storage shed there. And then an extra storage shed there. Cute house. Does have a newer air conditioning system. Alright, let's go check inside. It's such a beautiful day today. A welcome relief after all those rains and high temperatures. Okay, 508 Stout Street. This property is listed for $129,900. It's a 3-bedroom home. Lots of updates, including a newer kitchen. Appliances stay. It's got a tall pantry, has a washer and dryer, dishwasher, some nice backsplash with the updated kitchen. Dining room, kind of open floor plan, cathedral ceilings. Let's go check out the guest bedrooms, or children bedrooms, whichever. Does have new windows throughout. They just took the carpet up and exposed all the hardwood floors, which is awesome. Bathroom's been updated as well. Love the baskets, great idea. Sorry for the spin. All right, let's go find the master bedroom. Nice storm door. And here we are in the master bedroom. Again, newer windows, some mirror doors, cathedral ceilings, super cute. All right, I'm here today from 2 to 4. Feel free to come on by and see me and or call me for a private showing, 217-202-7294. Thank you, and everybody enjoy this beautiful Sunday afternoon. Bye-bye.